Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we're diving into the simple art of making ertib. This versatile dish, often described as a soft flatbread or a hearty pancake, is surprisingly easy to prepare right in your own kitchen. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can master this delicious staple, perfect for any meal. Get ready to create something truly wonderful, even if you're a beginner cook. To make your very own ertib, you'll only need a few basic ingredients that are likely already in your pantry. We're talking about all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor, some clean water, and a touch of cooking oil for the pan. These simple items combine to create something truly special, proving that delicious food doesn't always require a long shopping list. The next step is to combine our ingredients to form the perfect ertib batter. Start by whisking together your dry ingredients, the flour and salt, in a medium bowl. Then, gradually pour in the water, mixing continuously until you achieve a smooth, pourable consistency, similar to pancake batter. Remember, a little whisking goes a long way to ensure there are no lumpy bits. Now for the exciting part, cooking your ertib. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat, then add just a tiny drizzle of cooking oil. Once hot, pour about half a cup of your batter onto the pan, spreading it slightly to form a round shape. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. It's truly satisfying to watch it transform. Once your ertib is cooked, it's ready to be enjoyed immediately. This versatile flatbread pairs wonderfully with savory toppings like cheese and herbs, or even sweet additions like honey and fruit. Feel free to experiment with different flavors and make it truly your own. We hope you have fun making and sharing this delightful dish with everyone you love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.